Celebrating sentences with and fragments. Today we're going to celebrate sentences and fragments. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. What does a complete sentence need to have? A complete sentence needs to have a subject, who or what the sentence is about. A verb. The words put together make sense. Always begin the sentence with a capital letter. Remember, an end mark at the end of the sentence. What is a fragment? It's a group of words that is not a complete sentence. That is a fragment. It is missing one or more of these things. Subject, who or what the sentence is about. A verb. It doesn't make sense. A capital at the end, at the beginning of the sentence is missing. An end mark at the end could be missing as well. Let's practice. Here's a question. Let's look at this one and decide. Do you like to eat cotton candy? Is this a complete sentence or a fragment? Do you like to eat cotton candy? That is a complete sentence. The red roses. Is this a complete sentence or a fragment? The red roses is a fragment. It does not have a verb. Baseball, my favorite sport is. Is this a complete sentence or a fragment? Baseball, my favorite sport is. That is a fragment because it doesn't make sense. You could write, baseball is my favorite sport. So the order of those words made the sentence not be clear. I had cake and ice cream at the party. Is this a complete sentence or a fragment? That is a complete sentence, and a yummy one at that, I think. Jennifer likes to read books and write stories. Is this a complete sentence or a fragment? That is a complete sentence. Dr. Friedman's new car. Is this a complete sentence or a fragment? Dr. Friedman's new car. That is a fragment because it doesn't have a verb. We are missing the action part. We could say, Dr. Friedman's new car is very fast. We didn't have the action verb part in there. I saw lions and tigers at the zoo. Is that a complete sentence or a fragment? That is a complete sentence. The big, hairy, scary monster. Is that a complete sentence or a fragment? The big, hairy, scary monster is a fragment. Doesn't say what the monster's doing. He could be picking flowers. Michelle walked. Is this a complete sentence or a fragment? Michelle walked. Michelle walked. That is a very short sentence, but it has a noun, which is a subject, and it does have a verb. We know what Michelle's doing. Michelle's walking. This is a very short sentence, but it has a noun, the subject, Michelle, and it has a verb, so it is a complete sentence. All right, friends, thumbs up or thumbs down? Is this a complete sentence, thumbs up, or a fragment, thumbs down? The black and white kitten. Thumbs down. We don't know what's being said about the black and white kitten. A big spider. Thumbs down again. That is not a complete sentence. We don't know what is being said about the spider. My mom and I went for a walk. That is a complete sentence. Have you ever been to Florida? You got it. That's a complete sentence. All right, let's look at this one. We're going to find out which one is a sentence. Here's our choices. A, Emily has a blue raincoat. B, a blue raincoat. Or C, Emily has. Which one of those is a sentence, a complete sentence? It's A, Emily has a blue raincoat. My class went to the library today. You got it, thumbs up. We know who they're talking about and what happened, what they're doing. Thank you for celebrating sentences and fragments with us today. I hope it's helped you become a better reader and writer.